Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Venmo on desktop. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Make sure your internet connection is working so the page can load correctly. Click the address bar at the top of the browser window. Type Venmo.com and press enter on your keyboard. Wait for the Venmo homepage to fully load on your screen. Look for the login option near the top of the page. Click Login to open the sign-in page. Check that the page address starts with HTTPS to confirm it is the secure official site. Click inside the field for email, mobile number, or username. Type the email address or phone number connected to your Venmo account. Move to the password field by clicking it or pressing the Tab key. Type your Venmo password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a private personal computer, you can choose to keep your session signed in if that option appears. If you are on a shared or public computer, do not select any option that keeps you signed in. Review your login details once more to avoid typing mistakes. Click the Login button to submit your information. If Venmo asks for a security verification code, choose how you want to receive it. Open your email or check your phone messages to find the verification code. Return to the Venmo login page and enter the code exactly as it appears. Click Continue or Confirm to finish the verification step. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. Create a strong new password and store it in a safe place if you reset it. After logging in, confirm you are on your account dashboard before doing anything else. Avoid using unknown links or pop-ups and always return to Venmo.com if something looks suspicious. If your account does not load properly, refresh the page once and try again. If you still have trouble, clear your browser cache or try a different browser. For extra security, log out when you finish, especially on a shared device. To log out, find your profile or settings menu and select Log Out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.